So what we have here is a quadratic equation that I need to solve. Okay, so the question is, I need to solve this. Okay, solve that one. Find the values of x, or find the roots, or find the solutions to this equation. It's in the general form, ax squared plus bx plus c, because I've got 3x squared plus x. Now, b is going to be 1, c is negative 5, a is 3. Let's write them down. Okay, so I'm going to write down a equals 3, b equals 1, and c equals negative 5. Okay, what I need to do here is I need to use these numbers, a equals 3, b equals 1, c equals negative 5, into this formula here. Okay, when I do that, I will put these numbers in brackets. Okay, so I am going to write down x equals negative, b is 1, so bracket 1, plus minus square root. Now I need to do b squared, so bracket 1 squared, take away, listen, 4 bracket 3 bracket negative 5, extend that here, divide it, 2 bracket, a is 3. Now what I do is I will put this in my calculator, once with an add, once with a take away, and it will give me 2 different answers. Okay, and I'm going to do that, and I'm going to finish the video after. Okay, so if you look here, I've typed this into the calculator. Remember there's a plus minus here, so I'm using a plus. Okay, and this is what it looks like, but then when I press the side button, you can see it continues on this side. Okay, so negative 5 here. And when I used plus, I got a very long number. Okay, actually it came differently first. I pressed the SD button, and then it came a very long number, and I rounded it to 2 decimal places. So this is to 2 decimal places. Then what I did was I went back on my calculator. I changed this plus into a takeaway. Okay, and I pressed equals again. Again, it was in a different form, so I pressed SD button, and it gave me this number. Okay, again, it was a very long number, and I rounded it to 2 decimal places here. Okay, so 2 decimal places. Now, the equation again is x equals negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So you identify your a, your b, and your c from your equation when it's equal to 0. And then you substitute into these positions, okay, using brackets like that for your a, b, and c. If it's a negative number, you would use a negative number. So here are your questions that you need to do. So remember, when it's in the form, okay, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Okay, so remember that that's the form that it needs to be in. So let me write that down next to the equation. It needs to be ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So, okay, so x is equal to this when ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. You have to apply this formula for all of these. So find the values of x, try it once with plus and then with take away. Round your answers to 2 decimal places. You might find something strange for question 4. And also, and I want you to come and tell me what this is. And also this one, question 5, think about how you're going to do this one as well, because it's a little bit different here.